The financial position of the company has improved in last 2 years with debt reducing in the company capital structure, and that too with no pledge created on promoters group held equity shares. The 30 years old Trident Group planned this improvement by issuing new equity shares in the capital structure lately, which is a good move on part of the company's management. Also, over the years, the company profitability has increased too, which in return has made the promoters have faith on the company business and operations and profitability to grow in years to come ahead, and that is why they increased their shareholding in the company compared to last year. Talking about investing in this company today, or talking about will the company be multi-bagger in years to come ahead, I can only share few comments. Let's talk about the first concern. Even with any good news or positivity in any asset, one cannot overlook the price he or she is paying to take part in that asset value to grow. As we understand that investment is not about sentiments or emotion, it's about thinking rationally. As on today, 8th December 2021, the company share price is trading at rupees 51 with a PE multiple of 41, making the return for new investors very negligible at present as compared to the returns which existing shareholders are already getting. So in my personal understanding, I will not invest in this company stock at present. Furthermore, talking about the second concern, will the stock of this company be multi-bagger? I believe no one invests with such plain, one-sided approach in investing, as investors understand that business is all about risk and you try to take position on your investment considering that risk or loss if things don't fall according to you. Talking further, it also depends on the economic factors, competitive ability, managerial efficiency, corporate governance, and definitely fortune, favoring the promoter group and the public shareholders in future to come. Many of these variables are not easy to judge by retail investors and is a time-consuming task for them as they lack knowledge and experience. Definitely the company financial and earning position has improved, but with issue of new equity shares lately, it will be better to give this group chance to perform and show results in years to come ahead, and also maybe that is why no individual or institutional investor has invested in Trident Group till now. So it will be better not to be investing emotionally on any random share price when you are optimistic about this company, but better to invest at right share price with simultaneously tracking its progress quarterly. And as of now at rupees 51, the company share is overvalued, which is a case with many company shares as stock market in India is already overvalued.